Hello. This very wintry week of weather continues. In fact, for large parts of the UK, things will get a bit worse before they get any better. Worse, that is, unless you like the snow. But it is expected to cause further problems over the next few days, and we have a number of warnings in force, some amber warnings in force as well. And we'll break those down and go through them one by one in the next few minutes. Now, overnight, we've got a yellow warning in force covering large parts of eastern England, much of Scotland, Northern Ireland. Further snow showers coming in here. Again, like they have been through Tuesday, it's snow showers, so not everywhere getting them, but they could produce a further 5 centimetres, maybe 10 centimetres in places. And of course, wherever you are, it's going to be very, very cold indeed. The temperature's dropping well below freezing, even in urban areas. Some parts of the countryside may get down to -8 or -9. And it will feel even colder than that because of the strength of the wind, which will continue to bring us showers from the east through Wednesday. A lot of heavy snow showers really building up across parts of eastern Scotland, central Scotland, southern Scotland and northeast England in particular. For the south and west, there will also be snow showers. We'll start to see some across the southwest. Haven't seen many here recently, but across parts of Devon and Cornwall, snow showers through Wednesday. Parts of Northern Ireland, in the east in particular, and still across eastern England. So we have yellow warnings in force again for Wednesday across much of eastern England, the southwest and Northern Ireland. But the heaviest snow through Wednesday and into Thursday is going to be across this northeastern section, and that is where we have an amber warning in force. 5 to 10 centimetres widely and as much as 25 centimetres in some places. Over the hills, maybe as much as 40 centimetres. And that amber warning continues into Thursday. That is likely to bring travel disruption, delays on road, rail and at airports, potentially cutting off villages. So that's where we have an amber warning in force. Wherever you are, even if you've not got the snow tomorrow, it will be bitterly cold. Again, temperatures struggling to get above freezing. Many places staying below all day. Add on that wind and it will feel bitter, even colder than it did through Tuesday. And those strong, bitter winds continue to blow snow showers through the northeast in particular for the evening rush hour. It'll be very pleasant here and will continue through the night and indeed into Thursday across this northeastern sector. Again, that's where we have the amber warning in force, 5 to 10 centimetres widely, maybe as much as 40 centimetres on the hills. That will continue into Thursday because we've still got the easterly winds created by an area of high pressure, dragging down the cold conditions from Siberia. But look down here, things changing towards the end of the week in the south. This is an area of low pressure named Emma by the Portuguese Met Service because it's bringing them some wet and windy weather. But as it pushes northwards, it will bring us some further bands of snow and strong winds. So that amber warning still across the northeast on Thursday, but increasingly we're a bit worried about the wet weather in the south through Thursday, potentially bringing some more heavy snowfall. Elsewhere, well, we'll see maybe some sunny intervals, and again, it is bitterly cold. First day of March, and temperatures staying below freezing for many. Again, add on that wind, and it really will feel raw. As this low pressure system approaches then later on Thursday, the isobars squeezing together, so strong winds and the potential for snow. That could mean blizzards across the southwest of the UK and parts of Wales. Some uncertainty about the timing of this, but we do have an amber warning again in force for snow and ice. The potential for freezing rain as well. That's where you get rain falling through the bottom of the atmosphere. It's still very cold, so it's very cold rain. Super cold, and it just freezes when it hits the surface and makes things very slippery indeed. Snow, blizzards and the risk of ice then in this amber area through Thursday night and into Friday. And even into Friday and Saturday we have further warnings in force. Now the warnings can change. The forecast can change, so please stay up to date with the very latest. Download the Met Office app, and if you follow us on social media, on Twitter we are at Met Office. Follow us on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram as well, and we'll try and keep you as updated as we can.